Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com, and this is our June 2018 giveaway and sales video. We've got a ton of huge giveaways scheduled through 2018, so make sure you subscribe to the Walton's YouTube channel to be the first to know when we release new giveaways and sales. Plus, remember to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about each new video. This is one of my favorite giveaways we've done this year here at Walton's. This month we're giving away a Vacmaster VP215 vac sealing kit. This is the machine we use here to package all of the leftovers from any product we make for our YouTube videos or test batches, and it's a great machine. Our lucky winner is also going to receive 100 of the 6x10, 6x12, 8x10, 8x12, and 10x13 vacuum bags to get you started. As always, we'll include a box of our 12 favorite shakers, a Meatgistics t-shirt, and your choice of Walton's hat. The total value on this giveaway is going to be over $600. The Vacmaster VP215 is a chambered vacuum machine that could work in either a limited commercial capacity or would be perfect for the heavy home user. Chambered machines are generally a little pricier than chamberless vacuum sealers, but you can make up that initial investment as the bags required to use these types of machines are much less expensive than the chamberless vac machines. The VP215 gives you the ability to adjust the amount of vacuum you're pulling. You can set shorter or longer seal times for when you're using thicker bags, and it gives you a vacuum gauge on the front so you can monitor it throughout the entire process. These machines are very well built and will last you for years to come. If you can't wait the full month to see if you're our lucky winner, just remember that all of these items are available for purchase at any time at waltonsinc.com. To kick off June sales, we have the Broil King Baron S590 on sale for just $719. Now that item's only going to be on sale from June 11th to June 17th, and only while supplies last. So if you're looking to upgrade your gas grill, that's the time to do it. The Baron S590 will give you 805 square inches of total cooking space, 50,000 BTUs of main burner output, heavy-duty reversible cast iron grates, and plenty of other features to help you be the master of your backyard barbecues. And to keep you in the barbecuing mood, we're making all barbecue sauces 15% off all month long when you use the coupon code BARBECUE18 at checkout. Now, few things are better than a fresh bratwurst off the grill, so this month you can save $3 on the tomato basil, chocolate chili, Philly cheesesteak, Parmesan garlic, and beer bratwurst seasonings. And to help you use all those brat seasonings, our 2830 and 3032 tubed hog casings are going to be $8 off, and our 32 to 35 millimeter tubed hog casings are going to be $6 off all month long. Our new and improved Walton's automatic syringe injectors are finally in stock, so to celebrate, we're making them just $29.99 all month long. These are perfect for injecting pulled pork, hams, bacons, chickens, roasts, or anything else that you want to inject seasoning or cure into. So now just head on over to waltonsinc.com/sales or just follow the link in the description down below to get great discounts on all of these items during June. Plus, enter to be the lucky winner of the Vacmaster VP215 vacuum sealing kit. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's TV to watch more YouTube videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. You can also watch more videos from Walton's TV by clicking here or clicking here.